Worried you might have asbestos lurking in that old basement? You are not alone, and this stuff is seriously no joke. Okay, so here's the deal. Asbestos was used a lot in houses built before 1950, especially in pipe insulation, ceiling tiles, and floor tiles. If you find crumbling, dusty, or fibrous stuff around old pipes or ceilings, that's a red flag. First off, don't touch it or try to clean it yourself because disturbing asbestos releases tiny fibers into the air that can cause serious health problems. If you're cleaning and notice a ton of particles flying around, even with a mask on, that's a warning sign. Always wear a proper respirator mask rated for asbestos, like a P100 or better. Next step is to call in a professional asbestos abatement company. They have the gear and know-how to handle and remove it safely. If you want to check if it's asbestos for sure, only a certified lab test can tell you for sure. DIY kits usually don't cut it. Don't ignore proper removal, because asbestos contamination can spread all over, making your whole basement unsafe. And remember, even if the old pipes aren't used anymore, the material around them can still be dangerous. One of the biggest mistakes people make with asbestos is thinking it's safe just because it looks old or unused. Wrong. Asbestos exposure risk doesn't go away just because the pipes are out of service. The fibers can still be airborne if disturbed. The second common issue is trying to remove or clean asbestos by themselves without professional help. That can literally make things way worse by spreading fibers everywhere. The fix? Always hire a licensed asbestos removal company with solid reviews and proper equipment. Third mistake is ignoring the signs of contamination like dust or deteriorating insulation. Waiting too long can cause long-term health risks. The fix here is early detection and testing by certified inspectors who know what to look for and how to handle samples safely. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors who specialize in asbestos removal and other home projects. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's an easy way to connect with people needing your services and grow your business safely and legit.